Good afternoon and welcome to Aston Workshop in Redrow Estate, Beamish. Here we have our stunning 1958 Aston Martin DB4. It's a prototype vehicle, one of 15 made. This is DB4 107R. So very much used in the development and build of the DB4s. Car was owned by Aston Martin and driven and owned by David Brown himself. Car subsequently changed ownership in 1967 to a family in Gosforth, Newcastle upon Tyne, where it's remained ever since. So it's a local car, which we know the car as well, because we give the car a full nut and bolt restoration 2006, 2007. It subsequently went to Pebble Beach and it had a great deal of success over there as well. So as you can see, it's finished in Wedgwood blue with off-white interior, which is the original specification from the factory. Car is absolutely stunning. By all means, if you'd like more information, you'd like to book an appointment to come and view the vehicle and even test drive the vehicle, give us a call on 01207 233 525. Thank you.